Welcome to the extraordinary journey of uncovering your purpose and passion in life. Begin by exploring your core values, those guiding stars shaping your beliefs and actions. Immerse yourself in varied experiences, seeking the moments that evoke genuine enthusiasm and engagement. Identify your innate strengths, leveraging them as pillars for a purpose-driven life. Embrace the power of service, finding fulfillment in contributing to causes beyond yourself. Stay open to growth and learning, for they often illuminate new paths and reshape your passions. Number 1. Reflect on your values. Start by understanding what matters most to you. Reflect on your core values, the principles that shape your beliefs and actions. Are you passionate about creativity, helping others, learning, or making a difference in your community? Understanding your values can give you a compass for making decisions aligned with your authentic self. Number 2. Explore your interests. Take the time to explore different interests and activities. What activities make you lose track of time? What subjects or hobbies do you naturally gravitate towards? Engage in new experiences, whether it's volunteering, learning a new skill, traveling, or joining clubs or groups related to your interest. These experiences can unveil new passions or reinforce existing ones. Number 3. Identify your strengths. Reflect on your strengths and skills. What are you good at? What do others often seek your help or advice on? Consider using tools like StrengthsFinder, or talking to friends, family, or mentors for insights into your strengths. Leveraging your strengths often leads to a more fulfilling path. Number 4. Find meaning in service. Sometimes our purpose is closely tied to helping others. Explore how your skills and passions can be used to serve a cause or community. Volunteering or working for a nonprofit can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment that aligns with your values. Number 5. Embrace growth and learning. Be open to learning and growth. Sometimes our passions evolve as we gain new experiences or insights. Take courses, read books, attend workshops, or seek mentorship to expand your knowledge and perspective. Number 6. Listen to your intuition. Pay attention to your inner voice. Sometimes your intuition can guide you toward what truly matters to you. Quiet moments of reflection, meditation, or journaling can help you tune into your inner desires and passions. Number 7. Accept trial and error. Understand that finding your purpose is not always a linear process. It often involves trial and error. Be open to trying new things, even if they don't immediately resonate with you. Each experience can provide valuable lessons and insights. Number 8. Set goals and take action. Once you have a clearer sense of your passions and purpose, set specific, achievable goals. Break them down into smaller steps and take action consistently. Momentum often builds from taking small, consistent steps toward your aspirations. Number 9. Seek inspiration and role models. Look for inspiration in people who have found their purpose or are aligned with their passions. Learn from their journeys and the challenges they faced. Role models can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Number 10. Be patient and flexible. Remember that discovering your purpose is a lifelong journey. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and remain flexible. As you grow and change, your passions and purpose may evolve too. Thanks for joining this transformative journey towards discovering your purpose and passions. If you found these insights valuable, consider liking and subscribing for more guidance on this fulfilling path. Your support fuels this exploration. Thanks again for joining, and here's to embracing a purpose-driven life.